not autumn, summer. Alright, it's only up to October, October, November, December. That's a period. October is the last one, autumn, because we are actually entering the autumn period. Yeah, Lugano is nice place. They just opened. Then you see Italy, a lot of toll gate. You realize, right? Because every highway there's toll. Right. To give you a little bit more, like Singapore, we make a lot of noise on our ERP. This is the last city of Italy, which is situated on the Lake Como on the right hand side. Can you see the lake? Yeah, after that, no more. Game over. The other flag is actually the canton flag, because Switzerland has 26 cantons. This is the canton of Ticino. The red and blue flag, Ticino. Then they have the blue one, is Zug. And blue one also white. We have time now, I think I should bring another city for you. My compliment. Alright. Factory also here. Alright. Last time we used to do factory one, right? Then the timing tong here, you know what to do. Because the very factory
sa Japan,
at 11 o'clock open.
Pero pagka laki-laki.
So don't know what to do. Right?
Yung parang dome, ginagawa nung yung Taiwan, hindi, Taiwan ba yun? Nung tayo, di ba?
Yeah, in Europe, you are actually visiting the biggest country, France, right? Just France itself already can kill you. You take a whole life to visit France. Right? Because they got many nice city. They got Avion, they got Lyon, they have Nice, Monte Carlo, right? All these.
Monte Carlo.
Right? Then you have people like Charlie Chaplin, right? Charlie Chaplin is in D-Day. Switzerland is, I mean, what you see is only a tip of the iceberg of Switzerland. Switzerland got a lot of very nice city right? But I mean, it's almost full You can actually focus on the vine. You can see all the grapes coming out already. Right? Swiss also, but standard of living is high. Then you have places like Madrid. I do whole Switzerland tours. In EU, we have two types of Switzerland tour. One is by coach, like this one, right? And one is by rail one. Those not so fit on don't go rail because no coach on. Everything take train on. Right? You take your Harvard backpack, you walk to the hotel one. Or take bus. So this is called Lake Lugano. Lake Lugano. Interesting, one time, many years back, it was quite an interesting place because I took the plane, and I go to the lake, you're gonna meet. Alright, if you have the tendency of forgetting the venue one, just take.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost.
Sometimes when the weather is nice and it's not windy, you see a reflection of the mountain on the lake surface. All these are for the avalanche. You know, it's here in front of you. Like during the winter, a lot of snow. So if there's no avalanche, like the whole thing blocked. You cannot go through. So as I said, like when we reach there, the program will we'll take a cruise straight away. There are toilets, plenty of seats. You can take any seat you want because we charter the whole boat. Then after the cruise, a guide take some nice photograph. Even when you take photograph or your selfie or what, the train never delay. Whether it's full train or empty train, they go on schedule. And all the seats are all made of leathers. And the way they do the cabin, like you're going into a first class lounge. So it's very comfortable to use the Swiss rail. As I already mentioned, EU has one tour, it's a Swiss by rail. That means no bus, just take train from one point to another. That is for those who are healthy enough to rough it out. So I know how they see apple so much. Can see over there? Beautiful flowers. Coop is in Migros is the two major supermarket like NTUC there. But of course Migros is the biggest. There you can see this is cherry. Started from Switzerland. So you
yun ang nagagawa kapag contain ka lang sa sarili mong no?
Hindi nila na-imagine.
Oo, ang hirap ng hindi kayo magkasundo dun sa style ng house.
Kuya, ni Kuya, yung friend ni Kuya Ted.
Sino? Si Kuya Mark?
Kuya Mark. Dito sila nakatira.
Nandito ba sila?
Yes.
Norway?
Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Kaya nga sabi ni Ate Kat,
Saan
meet
dito?
natin si Kuya Mark.
Saan dito?
Hindi ko lang alam kung saan.
Tanong
May
mo.
dock na naman.
Tanong mo sa no?
Sabi niya, talaga tayo no? Ipapasyal talaga tayo no?
Wala naman na tayong free and easy.
Wala nga.
whole country. It started in 1871 with the unification. There's 3 persons, as I did mention, Umberto Vito Emanuele II. He's actually
Step one, Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my captain is to give you all welcome aboard. Nice to have you here. We make a short trip on our beautiful Lake Zug. Enjoy the cruise and we hope you feel fun. Thank you for cruising with us.
Thank you.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
It's time to go.
Time to go. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Go in some other countries called province, and Canton Zug is the smallest. It located right in the middle, in the heart of Switzerland, and it is the rich. And how rich is Zug? So according to statistics, like 20% of Zug residents, they own a sporty car more expensive than Ferrari.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it